want? Mango, pistachio, strawberry, bubblegum, or Mr. Whip? I want bubblegum and mango. Okay. And yellow. And the mango. Something cool me down. Yeah, hurry it. Okay, I'll hurry up and just, I'm gonna have to put this ice cream. What do you want also? I want the topping. This? Do you want some cookies? Oh, candy on top. Oh, you want cookies. I like cookies. I can tell you love cookies. How do you pick it up? Yay!
Yay!
This is delicious. What would you like next? Could you just pick another cone? What would you like next? Mango! Hey girl, so would you like some strawberry grizz or would you like some chocolate grizz? Chocolate! Ooh, you want chocolate. It's so heavy too. Look at chocolate come out.
Is that it? A little bit more.
I need something to support it. Would you like some strawberry too? Yeah. Would you like strawberry? Would you like some strawberry dress? Would you like some strawberry dress? Yes. Okay. On this first again. It kind of melting. It kind of melting. Okay. Cute. I want a cookie bear. Sorry about that. Sorry. Would you like any toppings? Chocolate.
Donut.
Yeah. Oh, good choice. Oh, oopsies. It looks like a shock.
Okay, give it to her.